Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow Certified System Administrator. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Certified System Administrator is: how does ServiceNow handle knowledge management? Your answer should be: ServiceNow knowledge management involves creating, managing, and sharing knowledge articles within the platform. It provides a centralized repository for documenting known issues, solutions, and best practices. Our next interview question is: explain the purpose of ServiceNow workflow activities. Your answer should be: ServiceNow workflow activities are building blocks within a workflow that represent specific tasks or operations. They can include approvals, task assignments, and other automated actions to streamline and orchestrate processes. Our next interview question is: what is the ServiceNow role impersonation feature and how is it used? Your answer should be: the role impersonation feature in ServiceNow allows administrators to temporarily assume the role of another user for testing or troubleshooting purposes. It helps in validating user access and permissions. Our next interview question is: how does ServiceNow handle the incident management process? Your answer should be: ServiceNow incident management involves a structured approach to identify, record, and resolve incidents. It includes features such as incident categorization, prioritization, and automated workflows to streamline the resolution process. Our next interview question is: explain the purpose of ServiceNow breakdown elements in performance analytics. Your answer should be: breakdown elements in ServiceNow performance analytics define the criteria for breaking down data when creating reports and dashboards. They allow users to analyze and visualize data based on specific dimensions or categories. Our next interview question is: what is the role of ServiceNow transform maps in data imports? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: transform maps in ServiceNow are used during data imports to map and transform data from source fields to target fields. They define the relationships between import sets and target tables. Our next interview question is: how does ServiceNow handle bulk imports using data sources? Your answer should be: ServiceNow supports bulk imports using data sources, which allow users to import large volumes of data into the platform. Data sources define the connection details and configurations for importing data from external sources. Our next interview question is: explain the purpose of ServiceNow orchestration activities. Your answer should be: orchestration activities in ServiceNow represent individual tasks or operations within an orchestration workflow. They are used to automate and coordinate complex processes involving multiple systems and applications. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated question tutorials in the description. All the best.